Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Thank you for clicking on and watching this video. First, I'm going to apologize. This is what is today? Today is March 10th, and I haven't had any videos uploaded yet for this week. I am sorry. Life's been a little chaotic. I've been working, and then now I have to do physical therapy 3 times a week, and then finishing up my dental stuff. So I do apologize, and I should be back on track real soon. So there's that. Today, I am going to do a video on my unboxing of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I don't know what's going on with the mail service, but I've been getting packages that look like they've been opened and then shut again. Odd. I haven't noticed anything missing in any of them. Okay. So let me go ahead and get this open. I'm hoping that this month the card is included because last month it wasn't. Okay, so let's open this together. All right, so there is this month's box. Okay. Celebrate you. Okay, good. It was just a fluke because they've got a card this time. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab. I did some add-ons this month. I got the Illamasqua, and this is their Hydra Veil. I will try this out and follow up with you soon. And then I got these Hannah Lee lip balms, tropical citrus, and then island mint. It's the island mint that I'm really wanting to try. I'm gonna try this one real quick, see what it's like. Ooh, minty. Feels very nice on the lips. Okay, so let's get to the items that are in this Glam Bag Plus. Let's find the bag first. So this is what the bag looks like this month. It's pretty cute. Looks like a little envelope. Let me shut the bedroom door. Okay, first thing that I'm grabbing is this Complex Culture, and this is a precision concealer brush. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $26. And this is what the brush looks like. It's got a couple of loose hairs. We'll see how this goes. Let me read the description. This isn't your standard fluffy concealer brush. It has densely packed bristles for a full coverage finish and an angled tip for ultra precise and even application when concealing your under eyes, the sides of your nose, or corners of your face. Okay, so I will use this in an upcoming video and let you know what my thoughts are on it and if it's worth the $26 that they are selling it for. Next is YENSA, and this is the Super 8 Lip Oil. Okay, that's right down here. It's got a suggested retail price of $24. Let your lips live their best life with this tinted oil. It's packed with 8 different superfoods to supply your lips with the antioxidants, nourishment, and moisture they need to feel soft and healthy. And the sheer pink tint, it's gorgeous and universally flattering. And their tip is to sheer out your favorite lipstick by blending a swipe of this oil all over your lips. So let's just take a peek at this. So that's very pink. Oh my God. I can't get it opened. I'll see if Decad wants to do it for me. Okay. All right, finally got it opened. I needed to use pliers. And then I got a piece of candy. So, to me, it smells kind of like watermelon. It's very slippery. I'm anxious to see if anybody else has any issues opening that lip, because it was not easy, and you shouldn't have to get a pair of pliers to open a lip product. And this was manufacturer's suggested retail price of $24. Feels good. Next up is this Malin+Goetz Revitalizing Eye Gel. And this has a suggested retail price of $42. Your delicate eye area is the first to show signs of aging, so give it love with this multitasking eye gel. This lightweight texture soaks into skin without leaving behind any annoying residue and helps soften lines, depuff bags, soothe irritation, and brighten up dark circles. It says to stash this gel in the fridge. The extra chill works wonders when it comes to soothing and depuffing. This is what it looks like. I will let you know if I'm going to use this or if I'm going to give it to or if I will put it in a giveaway. I have several eye creams right now, and it would just be a waste to open another one. So this will probably be in my 100 subscriber giveaway. All right, and then here is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Concealer. Mine is in the shade light to medium. It's got a suggested retail price of $36. The description says, skincare meets makeup with this medium coverage concealer. Active ingredients like moisturizing proline and antibacterial propolis extract help treat imperfections, while triple pigment technology instantly diffuses the look of dark circles, redness, and breakouts. And their tip is to dot this concealer at first sign of a pimple. The propolis extract kills acne-causing bacteria to help heal zits even faster. Their words, not mine. And I'm always in the market for concealers. Okay. That blended in seamlessly. It doesn't smell so good. So I will be using this, and I will give you my feedback. Excuse me. I will give you my feedback on how this works and looks. And next I have the coffee scrub in the scent Coconut. And this is a suggested retail price of $21.99. Turns out coffee isn't just for your morning zing. It's also packed with antioxidants, which are great at repairing and protecting your skin too. This coffee infused scrub buffs and moisturizes with grapeseed oil, almond oil, and vitamin E. So your skin will feel smooth, not stripped. Dampen your skin in the shower. Then work this scrub over your body in circular motions, paying extra attention to rough areas like knees and elbows. Let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse off. All right, well, I do like scrubs, so I am excited to try this one, and especially if it smells like coconut. I love coconut. The last item I have in my box is this, the Balm Cosmetics. This is the AutoBalm Pick Perf Shadows on the Go. I actually picked this as my item this month. And this has a suggested retail price of $26.50. Oh my God, why can't I open anything tonight? And this is what this looks like. It's got a nice sized mirror. And this is what the palette looks like. Scoring the perfect smoky eye just got so much easier. Start with the neutral primer. It'll make whatever color you layer on top really pop, lasts for hours, and goes on smooth. Then mix and match the matte and shimmer jewel tone shades to create endless eye looks. And their tip is, once you've used up the shadows, pop out the insert and save the cute tin. Use it as a little accessories like hair ties and bobby pins. Neat and organized. Okay, so the primer is right here, and I'll swatch it in a moment. These two shades are matte, and then all four of these are shimmers. So I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches for you. Okay, here's the neutral primer. I think I'm going to go down. I'll do those two matte shades first. So here is St. Charles. Then we have Pennsylvania. Broadway. Sunset. Market Street. That one's kind of clumpy. Then we have Ocean Drive. And Rodeo Drive. So what I did was I put that primer down this way so that we could see how much bolder it is. And you can tell there's a little bit more. So this whole area down the arm is the primer, and then this is what they'd look like on their own with a finger swatch, not necessarily how they're going to apply to the eye. Well, they have some lasting power. Huh. I hope they come off before tomorrow. All right, guys. So I'm anxious to try many of these products. That brush is already shedding, so we'll see how it works. And then the eye cream I'm not keeping. I am going to throw it in the giveaway. I just don't want products to go to waste. And if there's somebody else who would like it, then I would rather them be able to get the benefits and be able to use it. So the coffee scrub, I've had coffee scrubs in the past and I like them. This lip oil, it's not bad. Like I said, I couldn't get it open. We had to use a pair of pliers to get it. So there is that. Total value of my box was $198.48. I do like getting these subscriptions. I have already received my other subscription and I filmed it. I just haven't uploaded, and I will get working on that soon. Anyway, I will do follow-up videos with the products that I received in today's Ipsy Glam, and today with the products I received in today's Ipsy Glam bag, and I shall see you for my next video. Oh, no. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave down below any comments you may have. I will see you for my next video. Bye, guys. Much love.